Alright, I was fishing with my friend Adan again earlier, and he had the misfortune of snapping one of his rods in half, and it snapped off right at the eyelet. So I thought I would try to fix it. I'm going to do this one different than the last rod repair I did, because the last one I did, it's still a little flexible, it doesn't quite work. So what I'm going to try to do is, a while back in one of my other videos, I found this. It's a Zebco slingshot. It's like a $10 rod that was missing the top half, but it's still got the ferrule here. So what I'm going to try to do is cut off the ferrule, probably about right here, and fit it over both ends of the rod. And then I'm going to test out how well it works with this crap. This is the 5-second fix that you see all over TV right now. They're saying it can fix anything. They swear up and down. So I'm going to give this a shot and see if it'll fix a fishing rod. And the first thing I'm going to do is find a way to cut off this ferrule. Probably with a hacksaw or something. Alright, I don't actually have a hacksaw. I'm looking around for one. I don't have any kind of saws here right now, but I do have this. It's got a saw on the back side of it. I tested it out, so it kind of works a little bit. As you can see there, might take me a while, so we'll see. Yeah, it's working, but I'm going to go ahead and shut off the camera for now to save video, save some space and battery. I cut it off using the knife there. It actually cut off pretty smoothly. It's scratched up a little bit, but it's cut off pretty well. See if it fits over. Yep, sure does. Fits over like that.
How you doing? What do you want? James Woods fired me. Listen, I didn't think that. I was a real jerk to you. I dragged you out here only to dump you when you needed me the most. I guess what I'm saying is, I'm really sorry about everything. Sorry doesn't cut.
Seems to work.
I quit my job. I left everything behind.
Might be better if I put the bigger end on
I was just trying to help.
this.
I never wanted to let you down.
There we go. It seems to work. It's got some flex to it. I think this will work. If the 5-second fix holds up, this will work. If not, I can epoxy it later. I'm also going to try to tie back, maybe not this eyelet, but I might put another one on there, tie it on. So we'll see.
your ticket at sanantoniofc.com.
See if the TV was on. Alright. See, put it on all the way around. Actually, I'm going to slip it off a little bit there. Test it. Well, seems pretty good. It's holding pretty tight, actually, yeah. So, there we go. See there, I put it like that. Got it all the way around, nice and good. I might just leave it like this and have it as a two-piece rod, but I don't know. I think it'll slip off. It slips off a little too easy here, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix it onto this end as well. And I'm gonna do that off camera to save my back some pain here, but I'll that's what it's going to look like on both ends. I'll update you in a few minutes. Alright, you can kind of see how I did there. It looks like it's been welded together. That is with the 5-second QuickFix. Focus. There. Did that to both ends. Of course, after I did that, I realized I did it wrong. I should have put the middle piece on and slid it down to one end, and then put both ends together and epoxied those around, and then slipped that brace part over and done this. That probably would have been the strongest way to hold it, but this works. It's holding up together pretty well. It's got some good flex to it. It's strong. It's already a better job than my last repair job. And the ironic thing is I actually have the reel that goes with this original combo. It's Mitchell Avoset, something like that. It's not a very expensive one. It's a complete combo now, and you know, it works. I'll probably do another video pretty soon testing it out, see how it handles the fish. And it is it's a 6'6" rod, so it's got a good action to it. The reel feels a little heavy for it actually, but this is the one that came with it. The reel was actually a repair job that Adam started and I finished. The reel was messed up as well. It works fine now, but the as you can see, it doesn't spring back the way it's supposed to, but it works fine. Other than that, it's got a good balance to it. And the rod itself is complete again. So like I said, next week I'll probably be doing another fishing video. I'm gonna use this to test out how it handles the fish, see if it works, see the flex on it.